Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Firethorn, which is in Katy, Texas. The home that we're going to view today that is behind me, it is called the Lindsay, built by Coventry Homes. Now, Coventry is not building this home in this community anymore because Firethorn has been around for years, but you can still buy this home in another community not too far away from here. So if you're interested, it's still an option. Now let me tell you about the Lindsay. It is a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, and is a little over 2,800 square feet. Now, if you do want to add an extra bedroom or extra bathroom, that can be an option as well. Now, these homes start at the $500,000 mark, and that is in the other community in Richmond, Texas. So let me go ahead and show you this beautiful home behind me. But before I do, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful Coventry home located in the Firethorn community in Katy, Texas. Now remember, this home is not being built in this community anymore, but they are still building this home around the Houston Metroplex area. So make sure in the comment section you leave a question regarding this model, this builder, or any other real estate questions, and I will make sure that I answer them. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.